Just scratch the watermelon with your fingernails. Cut the watermelon in half with a thin piece of cotton thread. Use an empty bottle to give the egg yolks a light suction. The egg whites and yolks can be perfectly separated. Pour some alcohol on the sand. Mix baking soda and white sugar 1 to 3, and then fall on it. Light it and you will summon an ancient and the mysterious Pharaoh's serpent. It's hard to imagine. The beer can be opened easily with just a bottle of water. That's the principle of leverage. The can be perfectly separated. Use copper wire to connect the iron nail to the copper nail. Insert the same 4 groups into fresh lemons. Insert copper nails and iron nails at both ends. Connect the copper wire to make the bulb glow. This is the electron ionization. Take the root of a rose. Cut evenly into quarters with a knife. Insert each of the 4 different colors of paint. After standing overnight, you'll get a multicolored rose. This is the capillary phenomenon. Tie the straw to the balloon with tape. Run a rope through the straw. Secure the ends of the rope. Release the balloon. You can see the power of the air mover.